Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, today we're gonna making something special. It's about how to making pop mie bakso. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Haidar and he is.
Aqshal Islami.
We're gonna making pop mie bakso.
First, prepare all of things to make pop mie bakso. We have water heater, scissor, and fork on the pop mie.
Besides that, we have several ingredients. We have ingredients to make pop mie sedap. Is oil, soy sauce, and season on it.
Now, let's start to make it. First, open the pop mie cover.
Second, pour hot water on it. Then close the cover of pop mie.
For the next step, wait 3 until 4 minutes.
After that, open the cover of pop mie.
Then, season the noodle, add soy sauce. And pour oil on it.
Then stir it. Now you can enjoy your pop mie bakso.
Thanks for everything. This is Pop Mie Bakso by Haidar and Aqshal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.